Don't move fast. No, there's none on you at all.
I was trying to see the queen because the queen's a lot bigger and longer.
Yeah. They'll swarm up and pile up on her.
Oh, there's lots of piles.
Well, just stop. This is the rowdiest phenomenon I've ever seen. You're covered in bees. That's insane.
They're drowning each other trying to be in the water, but...
Oh, listen to the sound. And we're out in it. Oh my God, this will be a YouTube sensation. Sherry and the bees. You're standing in the middle of a hive. Whoa. That one just landed on my finger.
Let me see it, because you need to look in the hot tub.
No, I don't really want to. I'm out here with bare everything, and they're all over you. The guy said they're probably piling up. He said they're probably drinking the water. You don't see anything else? It's a great experiment. You don't see any, like... all the water. It might be underneath here, man. You don't see anything anywhere?
It's still recording.
We'll turn it off.